Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about for loop in Python. And using this for loop we can able to rotate and iterate that over in a sequence, a list, tuple, a string or other little objects we can able to iterate for that sequence of calling travelings. Okay, for that we can able to use for loop. Basically syntax is for value in sequence and we are going to do some operation here. Simple example like there is a number, list of numbers are presented, and these numbers we need to get for sum of that numbers. How we can able to do it? See simple format. I'm going to copy pasting this one. Just I'm doing here number and sum equal to 0. Then here we are doing for loop and we are doing value in numbers, and then here what we do is sum equal to sum plus val. Then after that we are printing for value, print sum. Just doing like this and we can able to execute and see the total number, how much it is coming, 48. This is a format, it is every time it will rotate and it will get it the value and we can able to find that total number, how much it is presented. Okay, this is a one format of doing this one, and we have another format that is called as a range function. Okay, range function, it is generate the sequence of numbers using the range function. If you are defining the range as a 10, it will generate a number from 0 to 9. Okay, we can also define the start and stop size as a range. These conditions we can able to use and we can able to use to work for the range function. The range object is a lazy in an essence of because it is does not generate every number that is containing when we create it. However, it is not a iterator since it is supporting in length and double underscore get it items and double underscore operations like that. And if you want to see some print this one, you can able to see here print the range, it will display for 0 to 10. Same thing if you are doing these remaining things, list range and list range 2 to 8 and list range to 10 3, you can able to see the format of like this it will generate. It is displayed for 0 to 9 value list. Our list of 10 values it is defined. Here is the range means it is 0 to 10 and here is a list range it is displaying means 0 to 9, and again list range 2 to 8 means 2 to it will start for 2 and it will end for 7, and it is a list range 223 means it is every time two increments happen then it is going to display for up to 17th line. Okay, and this is a format we can able to use for range also. We can use the range function for loop for iterating through the sequence of numbers. It can be combined with the length function to iterating through the sequence of index. Okay, sequence of index is nothing but now here is the length it is presented, there are list values and here it is presented three different values, right? And we need to get for the length of the particular one means for that we need to get it for length method. Inside the range method we are going to use for length it will define like, and Java we have a length of the size and size length it is presented, right? and that we are going to verify. Here also the length function to the how many words it is presented, how many characters presented, like that it will get it. Then after that we are going to print for one by one. Okay, we can able to use the same example, and here you can able to see. Now I'm going to run, and you can able to see it is a three values it is presented. Okay, and next one is we can able to use in the for loop with the else. In the end of the last condition we can able to use for else. The for loop can have the optional else block as well. This else part is executed if the item is in that sequence used for loop extensions. This keyword can be worked to stop for loop, and such cases else support is ignored. Here is the one default one. You can able to see if that there is no value, then it will display the things. You can able to go on execute and see how it is work. Now everything is executed, everything is completed, then it is printed. After that, no item is presented. Like that, it will print for last. Okay. In case if you are using the break condition to certain condition place, you need to break it. Then it's not required to use it. Else break also to breaking some content of information. Okay. To do that, it will not print. And if you see this example, how the break condition and all you will be. And if I'm doing here, it will no entry found, means there is no name it is presented, but it is not executed. It's executed here only because it is a breaks, and there is no value here. Then it is jump and here. Okay, this is a simple example for if for loop conditions, how we can able to use, and how we can able to use for else into the for. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.